Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by confirming your Google account and inserting the Zong SIM into the phone. This lets carrier billing be detected. Once done, make sure mobile data is on or you have Wi-Fi for validation, and that your device region is set to Pakistan so Google shows carrier options. You should also have a secure screen lock and updated Google Play app. These reduce errors during verification and let the billing option appear reliably. You now open Google Play, tap your profile, and go into Payments and Subscriptions to reach payment methods. Next, choose More Payment Settings so Google displays carrier billing alternatives. This step forces Google to check the SIM carrier. When you pick Zong or the Bill to Mobile option, follow the on-screen consent prompts. Google will send a verification SMS or pop-up to confirm. Make sure to accept the carrier charge agreement, so purchase it. Finally, complete the SMS or device confirmation and restart the Play Store so settings refresh. This ensures Google registers Zong as a payment method. Then test with a small purchase or free app that offers a charge to confirm billing flows through your Zong account. If it fails, make sure your Zong SIM is fully registered, your Google account country matches Pakistan, and you have no outstanding account restrictions. If those are fine, contact Zong support for carrier billing activation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.